61A, lecture number 24. Announcements. Homework 8 is posted. It's due on Thursday. MAPS composition scores have been released on OK. If you'd like to revise your MAPS project in order to earn back any lost composition scores, you can do that anytime between now and the Tuesday after spring break. That's April 3rd. See Piazza for more details. You should also have received an email from Gradescope if you took midterm 2. Here's a copy of the exam, the solutions, and a set of walkthrough videos that were created by the course staff. You can also see the detailed rubrics that we used in order to score the exams on Gradescope. You can make regrade requests directly using Gradescope by Tuesday after spring break. Nice work on midterm 2. There were a lot of challenging problems, and many people made great progress on a lot of them. I do think that one of the important outcomes of this course is strong mastery of material that shows up on midterm 2. And for that reason, a great deal of the final exam is just more problems that might have showed up on midterm 2. So you have a second go at this kind of thing, and I do recommend that you try to improve from however you did on midterm 2 on those set of questions, because you have more time to review, more time to master the details of how mutation works, how the object system works, and tree recursion, not to mention trees themselves. The rest of this course does introduce new material. In fact, we're going to start a new section of the course today, but it directly builds on all of that core midterm 2 content, and so whenever you reach a point where you know that you're needing to use midterm 2 concepts in order to extend them for some new part of the course, give yourself a little bit of time to go back and review those core concepts as well. And I keep using the word concept, even though this course has so far been all about Python programming. Well, surprise, it's really been about programming in general, and today we're going to switch programming languages, so that you can see how these same concepts are expressed in another programming language. So you can forget all the details that you learned about Python syntax, and instead focus on the ideas of environments and frames and how those apply in order to make interesting things happen, because all of that information is still important when we switch programming languages. It's just that the precise way in which we express ourselves will change a little bit when we stop programming in Python and start programming in Scheme.